A very good morning to all of you. Dear students, I hope you all are well and fine at your home, and I hope you have enjoyed your holidays. So now we are going to start our syllabus of Unit 2. Before starting our syllabus, let us take a pledge. I, Mansi, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID 19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID 19. So, now let us start doing the exercise. Okay, we have done the exercise till exercise 2.2. Today we are going to start our exercise 2.3. The first question is, use the properties of multiplication to fill in the blanks. As we have done these properties, so this question is your homework. You have to do this question at your own. Next is, state the property used in each case. So this question is also state the properties in each case. We have done the properties. You simply have to read the statement and have to choose which property is written in the statement. So moving to our next question. Our next question is, find the product using distributive property. So now let me tell you one thing. What is distributive property? So our first question is 832 multiply by 103. So our first question is about distributive property. So what is distributive property? Distributive property says that a multiply b plus c is always equals to a multiply b plus a multiply c. So in this question, how to apply a distributive property? Simply we can write 103 as 100 plus 3. If we write 103 as it is, so it is too much difficult to multiply two 3-digit numbers. So let us break it into 100 plus 3. So now apply the distributive property. This is equals to this. The value of A is this, the value of B is this, and the value of C is this. So the distributive property on this side is A multiply B plus C, which is always equals to A multiply B. So what is A? A is 832. What is B? B is 100. Next is plus, next is A 832 multiply C. What is C? C is 3. Multiply it with 3. So simply when we multiply 802 with 100, that would become 83,200, plus when we multiply this 832 multiply by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24, that is 22,496. Now what is the sign? It is addition, so simply add them. Plus 2,496, 69246 325, that is 85,696. So it is our answer. So using the distributive properties, the answer becomes very easy to find. But if we don't use the distributive property, the answer will be very much complicated. So let me do one more question, that is 82,368 multiplied by 98. So how we can write it 98? We can simply write it as 100 minus 2. So again distributive property, it becomes A multiply B minus C. So what is the equivalent side of this property? A multiply B minus A multiply C. So simply multiply it with 100, subtract, multiply with 2. So it would become minus, let us multiply it, 8 to the 16, 1 carry, 6 to the 12, 12 plus 1, 3, 1 carry, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 2 to the 4, 8 to the 16. So that is, so now we have to subtract these two numbers. So firstly write the first number, that is 8 to 2, 3, 6, 8, 0. Next is 1, 6, 4, 7, 3, 6. So 6, 1. So this number is, let us count, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this number is 82 lakh 36,800, and this number is 1 lakh 64,736. When we subtract these number, what would be the answer? Here it is 10, taking carry from here. That is 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 3, 6, 7 minus 7, 0, 6 minus 4, 2, taking carry here again, 13 minus 6, 7, 1 minus 1, 0, here it is 8. So our answer would be 80 lakh 72,064. So rest of the questions are similar, just you have to check which number we should add or which number we should subtract. Next is multiply the following using distributive property. So that is similar, we have to use the distributive property to multiply. Our first question is 673 multiply 86 plus 673 multiply 24 plus 6, next is minus 673 multiply with 60. So here we are having, in our last question we were having only two numbers, but in this only three numbers, but in this question we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So we have to do just 673 multiply, what is the first number? That is 86. What is the sign? That is addition. What is the next number? 24. What is the next sign? It is negative, then it is 60. So we are having addition as well as subtraction. So what to do? Using the BODMAS rule. According to BODMAS rule, if we are having addition and subtraction on the same place, so firstly we add the terms, then we subtract. So using BODMAS, 673 multiply. So add these two terms. 86 plus 24. 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 carry. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So that is 110 minus 60. So 110 minus 60. 0 minus 0, we cannot subtract 1 from, we cannot subtract 6 from 1, so taking carry. Here it has become 11 minus 6. So when we minus 11 from 6, that is 50. So 673 multiply by 50. So let us multiply 673 with 50. 300, 370, 0 7 is 0, 0 6, 0. Next is 5 3 is 15, 1 carry. 7 5 is 35, plus 1, 36, 3 carry. 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So that is 0. 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 3, 33. That is 0, 5, 6, 33. So our answer is 33,650. That is our answer. So rest of the question, they are way too much similar. From first to 10th question, they are very much similar with this question. You are having three numbers. You just have to take care of the sign. What sign is given? If it is subtraction, so use subtraction. If it is addition, use addition, and do the rest of question. And fifth question is not in your syllabus, so your exercise is done. Thank you. Have a nice day.